Hi everyone, this is Manisha and hope you people are doing well. So since few days I was unable to record myself, unable to upload my video on YouTube. So in this video I am going to share about that. And so you know what happened on the first day. I have recorded my video, but I have not uploaded my video because I have found that when I have watched it, I have found that that video was not the way that I wanted, and I'm not striving for perfection, but I don't want to upload something that is does not does not satisfactory to me. So that's why I didn't upload it. So without forcing myself, I dropped the idea of uploading a video on YouTube. So and the second day was like I had a stomach ache, so I could not record myself even though I have tried, but I could not do. Sometimes our body needs to be slowed down, our body needs a priority to take care. So I have to take care of my body, and that's why I was not able to record and even practice my English also. And so and right now I am sitting on the roof, and you people could as you people could see, so it's a quite bright sunny today, and it's quite bright sunlight. So it's feel like more summer, or even though it is a February, but it's feel like summer, and so scorching heat I could feel. But I have to stay on the roof because my mother has spread a weed on the roof and asked me to take care of that. So which I am doing, although I am feeling so uh, some more like summer in the daytime. Actually in daytime it is like a summer, but in a evening it is like, and in morning it is like a quite chilly. So winter is just about to be end, it is slowly coming to an end, and I could say. So just want to say that sometimes we miss our routine without a planning. We do not have an idea about it, but we have to miss because of our circumstances, because of our situation. So it is not about we have to be consistency all the time, to be consistent in every situation. No, it is not possible for some time, but it's okay. I think it is important to say okay to yourself so that you could continue with where did you have left, and which I am doing, and which has happened exactly to me as well. And it happens with everyone actually, because it is not easy to maintain consistency at every time. It is not like excuse, I would say. It is just about honesty, which I want to tell. It is just about honesty with yourself, and to listen yourself, and to respond to situation. So so it's sometimes we have to respond to our situation accordingly, according to the circumstances, and that's how the thing goes smoothly. And currently I am watching it and taking care of it, so this is making me feel more grounded, and I could say it's like a niche. It's feel like peaceful, which I am listening my mother, and I am taking care of the weed. And my mother has asked me and make sure that no pigeon come here and eat away, because you know what happened if pigeon came here, even flight of pigeon came here, and they destroyed all the wheat. They spread the wheat entire the roof, and it's become what tasking for my mother to clean whole the roof. So that's why she asked me to take care of that. So I am sitting on the roof and I'm taking care of. So this is I something which I want to share with you. Okay, it's okay to be missing out. And if you people are doing anything with consistency, see, as you could see that behind the pigeon has flew away. So they were eating, but now I have done with my video, I think. So okay, hope, thank you.